good is your cordless vacuum? Does it have enough power? Can it tackle the toughest dirt? Does it clean for long enough on a single charge? Does it look this good? Introducing the new VAX Blade 2 Max, with almost 3 times the power of any cordless we've ever produced. The VAX core processor monitors power up to 1,000 times per second, helping to give you optimum performance on both carpets and hard floors. For stubborn dirt, simply switch to boost mode. A simple click takes you from upright to handheld in seconds for easy cleaning up high, down low, and anywhere in between with no loss of suction. What's more, you get great cleaning performance with up to a stunning 45 minutes runtime on a single charge. When you're done, simply press the button and ditch the dirt. Fully charged from flat in just 3 hours, and it's ready to go again when you are. The new VAX Blade 2 Max, our best ever cordless vacuum.